Hello all, welcome back. Let's explore further. Today we will go into the flow. Here, this is another important aspect of the N8N, which is a little similar to what we saw in the last video. We are having options like the filter, where we could filter out certain data. Another powerful is the if conditions, just like how we could use in any database functions or in Excel, like if this is the case, then do this, if not, then do this. Loop over items is one important feature wherein we are having 10 different items to process one by one, and then loop over items help us do that one after the other. Very, very powerful node. Merge, as I explained in the previous video, it's going to help us combine the data from multiple nodes and then give it to us. So there could be research be done on one node, and then we could have some other information and we need to combine both these information. We could do it. So there are a lot many other features within merge which we'll explore in the coming videos. Execute sub workflow is, for example, I am having two separate workflows, one particular workflow doing certain action, another workflow doing some other action. So we need to execute the second one. After the first completes, we could use this execute sub workflow. Stop and error is going to help us if there is anything that needs to stop at that point of time rather than continuing, we could use it. Switch node, a very powerful node. Again, we would cover this in detail. Wait is a very, very important one, especially when we are handling the data on the internet, where we are extracting certain information as web scraping. And if we do it in haste continuously, they would block us. So wait is going to help us pause the automation for certain seconds or minutes or weeks or days or months, and then whatever frequency you want to set it, and then execute it. This also could be used to do a check on certain things at a different frequency. We want to wait and check for certain emails at probably once an hour or once a day, something like that. We could use it. But any of these nodes, let me tell you, use it properly. It's going to help you a lot. If misused, it's going to throw up some random error. Thank you. More in the next. Subscribe.